What's up everybody, my name is Adam Perciviat and I'm back with another video. All my videos are kind of about living a well-rounded life and obviously improving as you go. These dogs are around me, but anyways, the category today would be kind of health and body, and I'm going to be talking about push-ups. My friend on YouTube, Jojo Binks, recently asked me a question about how to do a full push-up, how to progress to being able to do one. Push-ups are an exercise that I've been doing pretty much my entire life. Even if I'm on a vacation and I can't work out, I'll still try to find a way to fit my push-ups in. This video is just going to show a progression from a very basic push-up all the way to something more challenging. So stay tuned if you're looking to learn how to do a push-up or you want to make your push-ups a little stronger. Because a lot of the time, if a workout becomes too easy, you're not really going to get results anymore. So you always need to challenge yourself. And remember, no pain, no gain. So if it's uncomfortable, it means you're getting stronger. You're getting to a new level. If it's easy, you're doing a little bit, but you're more wasting your own time. So always find a way to make your workouts a little harder, a little more challenging, and you will get the results you are looking for. So I appreciate you watching this video. Stay tuned to learn about some push-ups. First type of push-up is using the wall. The wall makes it really easy and it helps you build up to the next stage. So all you need to do is have your hands a little wider than your shoulders, just like a regular push-up would be on the ground. And you just go up and down. And try to do it for about 20 seconds. Do it for 20 seconds and then rest for 10. And then you should be able to do that for a couple of minutes, maybe about 5 minutes. And if you try that every day for about a week, you'll be able to move to the next stage. And when you're doing it on a smooth surface, make sure you wear some shoes because you don't want to slip out and fall into the ground and ruin your push-up experience. So yeah, for the first time, use a wall. Super easy. Most people have walls in their house. And yeah, go from there. So I just finished another workout here outside and thought it's a good time to show the second level of push-ups. Obviously we did it on the wall on the last one. Now we are looking for a surface that's not so high up and a little more challenging. So I'm choosing this bench. You could also choose something like this. It's not completely flat like a wall, but I'm going with this bench because it's a little more challenging. So what you do is same thing. Hands wider than your shoulders, and you just go down and up like regular push-ups. If that's too easy, you can go to even less of an elevated surface, like these stairs here, right here, or even like here, but I'll just do this one. So my camera woman asked me a question. Why do you do this? Why do you go to this level? Well, when you're up against the wall, you have less gravity pushing on you, so it's easier. The more you bend over, the harder it gets, the way the weight is distributed. So obviously, once you get to the bottom level, flat, it's harder. And if you don't have a surface to go on, you could also do the knee push-up. So you do the same push-up, but your knees are on the ground. So, see how my body's on an angle? That's just recreating the same angle like this. So yeah, super easy. Okay, you've done your wall push-up, you've done your bench push-up, and now you're at your goal. You want to be doing a flat push-up, and now is the time. So same setup. I've been saying arms wider than your shoulders. I'll tell you a bit later about how you can change your arms around to add more of a challenge. But anyways, do the same thing. You want your shoulders, you don't want to be slouching. You want the shoulders to kind of be back and flexed, your back flexed, your butt flexed, and you don't want your back to be going down. So make sure you're staying strong and not getting injured. Yeah, the same thing. And yeah, keep following that 20-second on, 10 off. It works so well. If you're trying to get stronger quicker, it's summertime, you gotta get those results quick. And I've been mentioning that whole wider than your shoulders apart. You can also put your arms a little closer. I'll show you this angle. If you do it a little closer, should you see it here too? Your elbows will point kind of behind you. And that is more triceps. So if you want to do a little bit of a tricep workout, switch up your hand stance. If you want to do something even harder, try to get one hand higher than the other. So what I use is a medicine ball. A lot of people use like the step in their house. And yeah, one hand higher, and go down and up. And that way it just isolates one side. You can go down, up, switch sides, down, up, switch sides, down, up, switch sides. Or even down, up, to the back. Down, up, to the back, to the front. And so on and so on and so on. It works really well. So many ways you can do push-ups. I'm not going to go into all of them right now. Just the main thing is get to this flat push-up and you'll be in good shape. Okay, we've completed the wall push-ups, the bench, and the regular push-ups. Now, you want to make it harder. You want a bit more of a challenge. So how do you do that? You do some decline push-ups. You put your feet higher than your head. And basically you go back to your friend, the bench, or your chair, or the stairs, and you find a way to get your feet higher than your head, and you'll have a bit more of a challenge. So this is the way I would set it up. Just something like this. And same thing, up and down. And if you want extra credit, you can do some mountain climbers in between. So push up, mountain climbers. Push up, mountain climbers. Push up. And also when you're doing your push-ups, make sure you're flexing your glutes, your legs, your butt. So make sure you're flexing like your whole body, your core, everything at the same time, and that way you're gonna get the full push-up experience. So I've been doing a lot of talking and not enough push-ups, so this next clip is 5 minutes of push-ups in 20 seconds, just showing how quickly you can get the push-up routine done with the 20-second on, 10 off Tabata style. Good girl, good girl. Okay, yeah, that was 5 minutes of push-ups. Super easy. You can do it too. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Okay, when you're done working out your chest, you still want to stretch. So I'm just going to show you one quick stretch. You just need something like this, like a wall or something sticking out that you can put your hand on. Yeah, so my hand's here, and you're basically just stretching your chest right here. You should feel it right there. And you can also put your arm out and do it like that as well. Yeah, it's super easy. And you do the same thing on this side. That's easy. Easy stretch for your chest, prevent injuries. Really hope you enjoyed this lesson. Remember, follow the strategy of 20 seconds on, 10 off, and you will get the results you are looking for. Trust me, it sounds easy. 20 seconds, that's nothing. It's actually a lot. The 20 seconds feels like a long time, but if you stay committed to it and you keep training with that same strategy, you're gonna get results very fast. Usually I do this method by myself, and then maybe I'll have a challenge with a friend, with a buddy. How many push-ups can you do? And when you've been training in this way, being able to do like 60, 70 push-ups in a row, no problem, is actually really easy. And one thing to note, I am not a personal trainer, I'm not a physiotherapist, I'm not a physical therapist. I have just been training for a great number of years. I've learned a lot from different trainers that I've gone to. I actually got in a car accident maybe 5 years ago and I had to do some rehabilitation. And when I went to those trainers, I really learned a lot from them. And I've also been taking different exercise classes for the last few years as well. And I talked to the trainers after the class and they gave me tips as well. So I've kind of like used all that knowledge and tried to improve my workouts from it. So that's basically what I know. I'm not an expert, but I'm a guy on YouTube telling you how to do a push-up. Hopefully there's stuff in here that you can find useful. But if you are injured, if you're experiencing pain, don't try to fight through it. There's a difference between like being uncomfortable and being in pain. Uncomfortable means you're probably doing something good. You might be a little sore the next day, but it's like a good sore. But if your joints are messed up and your back is all messed up, it's not good. It's not good. You're gonna be hurt in the long run. You may be able to train through it at the beginning, but you're just gonna be doing further damage to yourself. So make sure you're stretching as well, because stretching is super important, and staying hydrated. So always have some water. But yeah, that's my video today. If you enjoyed it, please hook up a thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, I really appreciate it if you click that button. I make videos on health and wellness, general lifestyle tips, and I like analyzing kind of like what's going on in the world. It could apply to the stock market or just in general business stuff. So yeah, that's the stuff that I'm into, and I'm excited to keep making videos about these topics. I appreciate you watching this video. Enjoy those push-ups. I'll see you on the next video.